All right. So I'm taking my cubing to the next level. There's people who can solve the Rubik's Cube blindfolded. I've been doing this for about a year now. I think I can do it, but I'm not as fast as everyone else, but I've done this a couple times. We're going to try to capture it on video. So give me about 30 seconds to look at this cube really good. All right, we'll try it. Here, Linda,
what do you want me to do?
Hold on the cube for a second.
Oh, Jesus.
All right, I'm blindfolded. All right.
Okay, see what you got.
All right, here we go.
Oh my God.
It might be all fucked up. Or all messed up. I don't know. Is it done? I don't know. I think I'm done.
It's done.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.